animals and their habitats. Hello kids, today I am going to discuss about animals and their habitats. So, what is habitat? A habitat is the place where living things naturally live and grow. Lion lives in a den. Tiger lives in a lair. Elephant lives in a grassland. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Zebra lives in a grassland. Yak lives in a mountain hill. Monkey lives on a tree. Hippopotamus lives in a river. Crocodile lives in a river. Giraffe lives in a grassland. Snake lives in a burrow. Hen lives in a coop. Duck lives in pond. Dog lives in a kennel. Cat lives in a cattery. Cow lives in a shed barn. Horse lives in a stable. Donkey lives in a shade. Deer lives in a forest. Ant lives on a ant hill. Bear lives in a cave. Bee lives in a hive. Bird lives in a nest. Spider lives in a web. Squirrel lives in a tray. Mouse lives in a hole. Eagle lives in a eyrie. Owl lives in a tray. Pigeon lives in a dovecote. Frog lives in a pond. Turtle lives in a sea. Sheep lives in a sheepfold. Thank you for watching.